Hello guys, today we're going to show you a in-ground pool project. We're doing some kind of modification. We pulled the liner out, we resurfacing the deck, as well the new liners. What we're doing here, we have a slider, we have the ladders over there, and we don't have a step. We try to get the steps that are expensive, they take too long, and we don't have a long summer here in Oregon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to build our own steps. So, as you see over there, we build our steps out of wood. We're gonna cover them with fiberglass, mat, resin, cloth, whatever it takes to seal it, and we're gonna put a gel coat over it and waterproof it. We're not gonna get any water. I think it's gonna float. On the top here, we're gonna put a hole over here and a hole over here and fill it up with sand and seal those holes with some type of marine plug. Will be sealed really good. Anyway, that top steps is not gonna be deep in the water. It's not gonna take any water, you know, I'm sure. So, and we're gonna have a very nice step. Those steps are gonna sit here in this duration pool on this side. What David doing there, he's grinding the edges. The previous owner, they did an awful job on the concrete. Cover up all the concrete lines over here. We grind it all the way to the bottom, and we're going to resurface this concrete, and we're gonna get color pigment or concrete dye, mix it with the concrete, and it's gonna look really nice. We don't have to worry about paint chipping or peeling or anything like that. We're working day and night, you know. Hopefully a few days from now we're gonna give you guys a full video of the finished project. Thank you guys for watching our video, and we'll talk to you guys, or we'll see you soon. If you have any comment, do it below. Bye guys, see you soon.